So this question reads, for the given gear pump, what will be the direction of water movement if the gears rotate as shown by the arrows? So for the orange gear, we're talking about a counterclockwise rotation, and for the blue gear, we're talking about a clockwise rotation. And if the water has no consistent path of movement, then you can go ahead and mark C. So a little bit about gear pumps. Gear pumps are used to generate high pressure. So water will enter in between the gear teeth, where it will travel against the walls of the pump and build pressure, and then it will eventually release or reach an outlet where that pressure will be released and the water will be propelled forward. So based on that understanding of gear pumps, that means a path in either direction through the center here is not an option. The water will travel along the walls of the pump. But the question is, in which direction? So if we consider both A to B and B to A, let's start with A to B. Water enters from A and goes to B. It travels along the walls of the container on either side. And then we say, well, what motion would we expect of the gears? Well, in this case, it would be consistent with the direction of water flow. So we'd expect to see counterclockwise rotation of blue and clockwise rotation of orange, which is not what we see. So we know that A to B or in the B direction is not correct. But if we consider the opposite case, entering from B and exiting from A, again traveling along the walls of the pump, and then we ask, what is the direction that we'd expect for the rotating gears? Well, in this case, we would see what is described by the problem. We would see counterclockwise rotation of orange, and we'd see clockwise rotation of blue. So for the given gear pump, what will be the direction of water movement if the gears rotate as shown by the arrows? The answer is A.